Hey guys, we're back with Playdoh Kitchen today. We've got, which one do you have, Avalon?
I got egg cream and look.
Yes. Let me see the front of the box.
This.
So, we have the Playdoh Kitchen Creations with Drizzy. And Dominic, you have... He has a hot dog making one. Looks pretty cool.
Yeah, I have French fries.
Yes.
Yeah, and we even got chocolate and ketchup. When you got chocolate, I got ketchup. Yeah, and I got ketchup too, Dominic.
I don't think it's ketchup. I think it's supposed to be strawberry sauce for the ice cream.
I can't understand. What did I say, Mom?
Okay, Avalon, so let's open yours first.
That's, oh, actually, that was the wrong thing. I'm doing that. There. Yes, you did it. Ouch. You got it. Oh, maybe that. It got some. I can't wait. Instructions. Oh, it says warning. We got some Play-Doh and other stuff. I don't read that all. We got ketchup and chocolate. Now we got the dragon. Yay! I'm not gonna read that too. We got that thing and we got more reading than that. And we got a cup. We got cupping. Put that one in. We got cup. You see here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we got the chocolate in here. I'm thinking I can open that up. Wait a minute. Oh, they're not the chocolate. I got the chocolate lid in here, but
It's the chocolate in there. I'll get it out. Okay,
I
so
don't see chocolate. I only
it's
see the
on
chocolate
the
lid.
on the box, silly girl.
No, Mom. I see the chocolate lid. It's right here. But dang. No, that's the big one. It's a chocolate lid. This is the real one in here. Mom.
I'll get it for you. Okay, we are going to get this assembled and then we will be right back. Okay, we got that assembled. It also comes with cute little cards that show you how to make each thing. So, what are we going to make first, Avalon?
We're going to make, we're going to make this.
Okay.
It looks big.
What color do you want to start with?
We're starting with yellow.
Yellow. Okay.
I will do it for you guys.
I'm getting all your Play-Doh opened.
So let's see sort of what color we got with yellow. Guys, if you see me open, then you see me doing that stuff. Yeah.
That's so what's hard.
Okay.
It's hard in the real life, but it looks easy to you guys.
It's not easy.
I know that.
Okay, you need some help?
No. I got one, that one. Need me one more. So guys, where I'm gonna put, wait, what color? I'm not gonna, put who did one.
Because it's probably going to be more better.
Yeah. Anyway,
You got it? I think she
I got it.
you put it.
Okay.
So we're going to make the machine ready.
Okay.
So we're not gonna put one in the. Well, guys, I'm not gonna roll it. Roll it. You need a roll it. when you do it. Yeah, I knew it.
Now it's like a worm.
Okay, now put it in the tube.
No,
No, that's not how it works.
want me to do it.
I'll show you, okay?
Let me do it.
Oh, this is
Okay.
too hard.
Let me do
Ready?
it. Can I do it?
Here, I'm gonna show you.
Can I do it? No, I don't want it done like that. I don't know how to put it done.
Okay.
I know.
Okay. Where's the top? Right here. Get your cup under there.
No.
You want a different one?
No, I'm not doing any cup. I'm just pulling it like this. Oh my gosh. No.
That looks hard.
Now we're getting that off.
Now you wanna make some sprinkles?
No, we're getting that off.
Let's make some sprinkles,
No,
Dominic.
we're doing
Sprinkles!
that. We're doing that.
Okay, well Dominic and I are gonna make some sprinkles while you're doing that.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, Dominic. Why don't you put some pink in this tube?
Okay. Tube. It's a big tube.
Green. I need some green.
Now, turn it upside down and push it onto the other thing.
This.
Yep. We might have to work on that one. We'll work on that. Here, let's see what Avalon's getting done.
Oh, I'm making my own little sprinkles. I'm just pushing the Play-Doh. Oh, that's a big sprinkle.
We have no pink. And we don't have any orange. We have red. Do we have red? Yeah, we do. And we have blue.
You
And
ready?
we have
Try this
green.
again.
Batman, my rod. My church rod.
I'm getting all of it.
Well, those are supposed to be sprinkles. And you can play with that.
Oh.
Hello, guys.
Later,
Voting day. Yeah. So after that, we're doing blue, and then when we're done, we're doing white. And then we add chocolate. I'm sure I that one make a rainbow. Oh my gosh.
Oh, I made little nerds.
Oh my ew.
I'm trying to get all the Play-Doh out.
We need blue. Blue. You know we don't have blue, it won't work out. We don't have blue. For apple green, we add blue apple green. Yeah, we do.
Okay, I need to get all these. Oh, some fall on the seat. No, I want to make a chocolate bar.
No, I want to make a pizza. Oh my god, that sounds yummy.
Eh. Huh? It didn't work.
You gotta take a little bit off, roll it in a ball, and then push it in there.
Mom, wait here. I need to take this much, put it in here. It's gonna work out.
No, it needs a
Use a little bit of more Play-Doh and to push on top and pull up.
I'm pulling up.
So good. Is the video on pause?
We have more time.
Yay, I made a pizza. Now I'm gonna eat it. Yum.
Oh my god, I'm not here yet.
Now what should I make? I should make the biggest thing here. I should make a rainbow.
I should make. Yeah, green is a win.
I should make this rainbow into a teddy bear. Or I could make it this. There's enough.
Okay, Avalon, are you gonna go ahead and add the
Chocolate.
syrup, chocolate syrup?
I made a rainbow.
Do it look like I'm ready?
I don't know.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I'm not. Oh my gosh. Maybe up here then. Rainbow. It need to be a lot smaller, guy. You know, I don't want to go on the table. Yeah. Okay, maybe it's too big for syrup and too fat.
Oh yeah? Uh-oh.
OMG. Yes, oh my god, the chocolate. I made it!
Good job.
I'm making everything.
Still, no chocolate filling, Mom.
Good.
I made another thing. Now I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna make
I'm gonna
this.
make something else because it's too bad.
Okay.
Yeah, look.
Maybe I'll help make an ice cream cone.
Mom,
Let's see.
Mom, look what I
I'm gonna
made.
do a pink one. Wow. You
Mom, I'm
made
making
a
cream.
square.
I made it from this.
Yeah.
I have nothing to make ice cream. Nothing.
Okay, watch out, Dominic. Push and fill this up.
When is mine gonna be open? I can't wait.
Hey, Mom, I'm gonna make you look just pretty, okay? I'm gonna add some wrinkle, but no chocolate. Okay?
There you go.
I want the orange.
Is it gonna look extra pretty, Mom?
I'm gonna use some orange.
With a wrinkle. With a wrinkle.
You're gonna make sprinkles.
Yeah, I am. Make sure the wrinkle open.
I have orange.
Now I need what color do we have? We have blue. That would be good.
I'm making my shake. Now I'm gonna make my straw. Mom, I'm making a chocolate shake.
Yum.
Just kidding, it's not chocolate. But I'm making my straw.
You're gonna make your sprinkles, Avalon?
Yeah. Okay.
Let's see if you can get this.
Ready, guy?
I did it! Mom,
There you go.
I made my chocolate
Now
shake.
knock them off.
Now we're not Ready? Ready?
I love you.
Now roll your ice cream cone around in it. It said just to roll it.
I'm eating my chocolate
Mom,
shake.
let me do it.
I
Oh, ruin the ice
There we go.
cream.
Let's see how perfect that looks, because Mama made it.
Mom, I made this was my last layer. I'm gonna get out my orange layer. Hey, there's still some orange.
Now I think it's time for some syrup.
Yeah,
You want the strawberry syrup?
yeah, we do.
This is
Let's
my
see.
next layer.
I may need to get a towel.
No, we'll be fine. We'll clean up the table when we're done.
And this is my
We
last
will?
layer.
Yeah.
We will clean all the ketchup up.
It's not ketchup. It's strawberry.
Hey, Mom, we have a bill on here.
Mom.
Okay,
Mom,
ready?
Mine is ketchup. So, Mom, I'm gonna see a bill.
So we're gonna move this cap.
Mom, I'm gonna see a bill.
Hold on.
Again.
Okay, here we go. We're putting on the drizzle.
I don't want to see a bill. Oh my gosh, I don't want a bill. You need
You
it.
ready? We're gonna do it from the top so it can drizzle down.
Yummy.
Ta-da!
Oh my god. Oh, Mom. Look, a billing right here.
That looks amazing.
A billing.
Yeah,
It can touch here, Mom.
it's fine.
It better touch here.
That looks so yummy.
What
do you think? Oh, it's fine. We'll clean everything up later.
I made my shake.
That looks amazing.
I keep
Let's see.
switching my shake.
Cool.
Guy, I already did a wet one.
Yep.
Hey, Dominic.
Well, I think we're gonna set that aside.
Would you like to order the yummy one?
Okay.
Mom, would you like to order the milkshake with
This
the
strawberries. Yes.
the strawberry caramel milkshake?
Now I think it's time to open yours, Dominic.
Okay, I
Let's
want
see.
to take yours.
This is pretty nice looking.
I know that.
I'm excited. Yours comes with some drizzled ketchup.
Mine comes with.
Okay, well, we're gonna get Avalon's mess cleaned up and we'll be right back. Okay, Dominic, let's open that up and see what's inside.
Okay. I want to get that hot dog bun. Oh, the big mixer! It's beautiful.
Looks like you dropped a piece.
Oh, I didn't even see this. Is this a cutter?
I don't know, we'll see here in a minute.
Is it in here?
Yeah, it's right there.
Yeah. Oh, it's for that, I think. We got the wool from my sleeve right there. Here's the bottle of the ketchup. What's this? Oh, I think I saw it in here. All right, on the other side. Yeah.
That is for your french fries.
So
You push it through and french fries are created.
Oh, I see. It's right there. I don't wonder what this is for. I see this.
Instructions.
Okay. I got this bottle. Is this a tube?
Yeah, roller.
Got this. I got the cardboard out of the way. The Play-Doh. I'll open that up later. Finally got the ketchup.
Perfect.
That's probably my favorite part to add to my french fries. Oh, this is a knife.
So we are going to get all this assembled and then we will be right back. Okay, we're back. Turns out there was really nothing to assemble with this one. It came ready to go.
Yeah.
So, Dominic, why don't you start with making some curly fries?
Okay.
Okay. You put it in the front here. So roll it up to make it a little smaller.
Small.
Almost there. Need a little help?
I need to make this small.
Why don't we pinch some off and then put it in piece at a time.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, what is this for?
That's going to go in afterwards. That's what's going to twirl it into curly fries. Okay, now we are going to attach this Possibly. We'll see. Hold on. Which kind do you want to make? Do you want to make this one or this one?
I'll make this one.
Okay.
The one on the picture. I'm going to do it this way.
Is it on there good? Okay. Now, we might have overfilled it a little. We'll see.
Oh, it's going very good.
Now I'm gonna add some chocolate.
Perfect. Now we can cut it off and work on the next strand.
Now I'm gonna add some chocolate.
Looky there. That's pretty cool. Uh-oh.
Is that the last piece? Let's see. I need to see the last piece of it.
Okay. Well, here, I'm going to pause this. I'm going to help you in a minute. Keep spinning. Now, I think it's about out, right? Okay, now let's try some regular hot dogs, okay? Or some regular French fries.
Okay.
So get your regular French fry container.
Where's the rest?
Right here. Okay.
So we just put it in here.
Nope, not all of it. You'll have to break it up a little
Can I get
bit.
one red?
What?
Can I take one red?
No.
Okay.
You have to wait till I'm done. Just kidding. You're not taking red at all.
Okay, now once you get that in there,
Okay.
now you gotta turn it around.
So, Mom, mine is
No, I didn't mean that, silly boy. Okay. Yes.
Mom.
Wow, here comes our French fries.
Mom, look at mine.
Look at that.
Mom, look at that.
That's adorable.
Did it look better? Look at that.
That is amazing. Look at that
I need
ice cream with some whipped cream on top.
I need to get out.
No, it's a berry.
Oh, it's a berry?
But I didn't have any.
Well, it looks like whipped cream and it looks amazing.
I didn't have any left.
Looks delicious.
Now, I'm gonna get one. Now, Mom, look at it too.
Oh, what's that?
It's a picture of an ice cream.
Let's get a closer look at that ice cream.
Mommy.
No, not that one. Your other one.
Yeah, you need one.
That looks yummy.
What about them?
That looks great too. That looks like a cupcake kind of thing.
Is that some?
Okay, so we got the French fries.
I need more French fries.
Okay, we better put these into our container. Have some French fries in here.
Well, in the box,
Some curly
in
fries.
here, it just has this, and the French fries is in here.
Now, guys, I bet now look, it will look better.
I'm gonna have French fries.
I'm gonna have chocolate.
Put some chocolate.
Yeah, you want some chocolate.
That looks perfect. Now I think we should move on to making a hot dog.
Okay, after I get all these French fries.
Pull them all out. Gonna put in our container.
Okay, I need to get this little piece out. I need to get these three in here. And that out. Why is there still a lot in there?
That's just how Play-Doh works.
Now I need to move this out
Number
of this.
right here. Okay, there you go.
Perfect.
Okay,
Now let's take the red.
Okay. Then we're the roller. Then we're flatten that out a little bit. And we're keep rolling.
Now I
What
will
the?
be able to
I don't
take
need you.
I need to put all that out.
Want a little help making a hot dog?
Yeah.
Here, let me help you.
Should we just roll it up?
No, there's too much there. Okay.
I'm gonna roll it.
There you go.
Oh, you made a little hot dog. I need my ketchup.
Okay. You want to put some relish on it first? Remember our relish maker?
Oh yeah, I forgot about that maker. Okay, so what we do, we put this in. Oh, there's like enough to put this whole thing in here.
Perfect.
All of it. Make sure by putting. Actually, there is. Wow. Then we need to put our hot dog. Or we could put in there.
All right, let's put it over here so we can see it work. Okay, I think we need to get that down all the way.
Ugh.
You want me to help you, bud? We don't even have the lid down because we put too much in.
It's
coming. It's fine. You can keep going.
It's like a perfect fit. Make no pickles.
Okay.
Cut that off and then
Here, use the little knife and cut some off.
I don't need knives. I got fingers.
There we go. Got some relish on there.
Well, I can use that for this now.
Now you can put some mustard on it.
I don't like mustard.
Then we'll take the mustard back off and make it a french fry again. You putting some relish on the french fries?
Yeah. Oh,
Here, I'll help you and it's going to make it a lot easier.
so.
Now I need to.
There we go. Look at that. Now put some more on the hot dog. That's all. We just overfilled it. Wow, that looks so cool.
That's
That's a lot of... Okay,
That's too
now.
much relish.
Now I think, how are you going to set this up?
I need to have ketchup
I need
on
some
both
yellow.
of it.
I need some yellow.
Okay, we're going to put ketchup on everything?
Yep.
Some yellow.
Okay, let's check out this drizzle.
I need some
You can
yellow.
pop that right up here.
Do I have any yellow? I do not.
Yeah.
Wow.
I just want to never rip this apart and just make it into something else. I just want to keep this like this forever.
That looks so great.
I have an idea. I need to make a smiley face.
And let's see these ice cream cones over here. Wow.
I add some whipped cream now.
Okay, I need to
Well,
make
This is fun. I like this Play-Doh drizzle.
Well, not yet. Okay.
This is really neat.
I'm making a smiley face.
Check that out.
Yay. I need to make that bigger. Yeah. There. I made my smiley face.
Perfect. So, what do you guys rate this? 1 to 10?
I rate it a 9 out of 100.
I rate this. You will like this, Mommy. A 10 out of 10.
I agree. I think this is pretty cool. This is one of the neatest Play-Doh things I have gotten to mess with. What about yours, Avalon?
I add some chocolate here, and you can see some yellow. Okay, I did add some yellow on the bottom. And then I add some whipped cream.
So it's like a chocolate-covered banana
and
ice
then
cream.
here, and then here,
Yum.
Mom, you know what they're called?
What?
It's called the banana chocolate lady, and that one they called it the strawberry cake.
Wow.
And
So,
and that one they called the rainbow blizzard, and that one
Rainbow
they
Blizzard,
called, and that one they
chocolate
called
cake,
or the hot
hot fudge sundae.
No, that one they call the hot saw on ice cream.
Well, those look amazing. What do you rate this, Avalon?
I'll get 100 out of 100.
100 out of 100. That is impressive. Okay, guys. Let's see.
Mom,
What?
Umber has a secret in the next one.
Oh, yeah?
Oh,
I better try to find it.
Now, are we going to clean this up or are we going to keep playing?
keep playing.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.